Think your office job is safe? Think again. Autonomous AI agents are no longer a future concept, they're here. By 2026, they're set to redefine the workforce, starting with 6 common office roles. These aren't just advanced tools, they're intelligent systems making decisions and executing complex tasks without human oversight. Understanding this impact is crucial. The role of data entry clerk has been foundational, involving the meticulous input and organization of information. However, this task is highly repetitive and rule-based, making it a prime candidate for AI agent automation. By 2026, AI agents will excel at automated data extraction from diverse sources, including scanned documents, handwritten forms, web pages, and even audio. They can process vast amounts of data in real time, cross-reference information for accuracy, and identify discrepancies with far greater speed and precision than any human. This transition won't just increase efficiency, it will virtually eliminate the need for manual data input, redirecting human effort towards higher-value data analysis and strategic interpretation within organizations. First-line customer support, often referred to as Tier 1 customer service, focuses on answering frequently asked questions, providing basic troubleshooting, and directing inquiries to the appropriate departments. While essential, these interactions often follow predictable patterns. AI agents, powered by advanced natural language processing and machine learning, can now handle a significant percentage of these interactions autonomously. They can understand intent, analyze sentiment, access vast knowledge bases instantly, and provide consistent, accurate responses 24/7. This frees human representatives to focus on complex, emotionally charged, or unique cases that truly require empathy, creative problem-solving, and a nuanced understanding of human behavior. The shift means quicker resolutions for customers and substantial cost savings for companies. Many administrative assistant roles involve a substantial amount of routine, repetitive tasks, scheduling appointments, managing email inboxes, booking travel, and preparing standard documents. These are precisely the tasks AI agents are designed to handle. Imagine an AI agent that proactively manages your calendar, identifies meeting conflicts, suggests optimal travel routes, drafts routine email responses, and even transcribes meeting minutes automatically. This level of automation streamlines operations, reduces human error, and ensures consistency across various administrative functions. Think of an agent handling complex calendar logistics for multiple team members, arranging international travel, and even managing recurring project deadlines without a single prompt. While high-level executive assistants requiring complex judgment and interpersonal skills will likely remain, roles focused solely on these repetitive administrative duties will increasingly be absorbed by intelligent AI systems. Bookkeeping, particularly the processing of routine financial transactions, is another area ripe for AI agent disruption. The core function involves recording income and expenses, reconciling accounts, and preparing preliminary financial statements. AI agents can automate nearly every step of this process, scanning receipts, categorizing transactions, flagging suspicious activity, and performing real-time reconciliations with bank statements. Their ability to process large volumes of data without fatigue or error significantly enhances accuracy and speed in financial reporting. Furthermore, these agents can generate preliminary compliance reports, tax summaries, and budget forecasts with minimal input. This automation means that while financial analysts and strategic accountants will remain vital, the manual, transactional aspects of bookkeeping will largely be handled by autonomous AI, transforming the role into one of oversight and anomaly detection. For many businesses, social media management involves tasks like scheduling posts, monitoring basic engagement metrics, and responding to common inquiries. While creative strategy remains a human domain, the operational aspects are increasingly automated by AI agents. These agents can analyze optimal posting times, suggest relevant content based on trends, automatically schedule posts across multiple platforms, track performance metrics, and even draft initial reports. They can also personalize responses to common direct messages and comments, filtering and escalating only complex or negative interactions. This shift allows human social media strategists to focus on creative campaign development, nuanced community building, and high-level brand strategy, leaving the repetitive, data-driven tasks to their AI counterparts. Market research often begins with extensive data collection, surveying, web scraping, and compiling information on consumer behavior and competitor activity. These tasks are inherently data-intensive and time-consuming for humans. By 2026, AI agents will be indispensable, capable of sophisticated web scraping across millions of sources, performing deep sentiment analysis on vast datasets, identifying emerging market trends with predictive accuracy, and even drafting comprehensive initial research reports. They can process and synthesize information from countless sources far more rapidly and comprehensively than human teams. This transformation allows human market research analysts to pivot from mere data collection to deeper strategic insights, hypothesis testing, and complex qualitative analysis roles where human intuition and critical thinking truly add value and cannot be easily replicated. The integration of AI agents is not a distant threat but a rapidly unfolding reality. These 6 roles represent just a fraction of the office jobs facing significant evolution or outright replacement by 2026. This isn't about job destruction, it's a fundamental reshaping of what work means and where human value lies. Success in this new era will depend on adaptability, continuous learning, and a strategic pivot towards skills that AI cannot replicate: creativity, emotional intelligence, complex critical thinking, and collaborative innovation. The future workforce will thrive not by competing against AI, but by working alongside it, leveraging its strengths to achieve unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation. The speed of AI evolution demands constant vigilance and proactive adaptation. If you found this insight valuable, make sure to subscribe to Move 37 for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our future. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. We're consistently exploring how AI is redefining industries and individual careers. In our next video, we'll dive into the high-growth jobs AI agents are creating and how you can prepare for them. Stay ahead of the curve.